Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can create a group in Telegram application. Friends, please put your likes under the video, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel as well, and let's get started. So friends, first of all, open the Telegram app, and then at the top, on the right-hand side, click on this sign. Now friends, you'll need to select New Group. And now you can choose absolutely any person from the ones that you have. You can go through the list of people to add them to your group, say, or you can just search for them by name. You can do that by clicking on the line here and select that person. Then click Continue at the top. Now friends, where you have the name of your group written, type in the name. You can also optionally take some illustration to give more of that interesting look to your group. You can choose any photo from the gallery and click Done. Now friends, as you can see, the group is almost ready. All that is left is to click on Create at the top. And as you can see, now the group is created. You can go to the group as an administrator and creator. You can view the members. You can also delete and add them and so on. This is how you can easily create a group in Telegram, friends. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.